Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create beautiful personalized wedding name place cards using Canva. Whether you're planning your own big day or helping out a friend, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design custom place cards that look professional and add a special touch to any wedding table setting, all without needing any graphic design experience. So let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, head over to Canva and click on the Create button. This is where all your projects start, and it's super simple to use even if you're brand new to Canva. In the search bar, type in wedding name place card. Canva will instantly show you a bunch of design options tailored specifically for wedding tables. This saves you from having to figure out the right sizing or layout from scratch, and trust me, with all the planning that goes into a wedding, any shortcut is a welcome one. Now you'll notice you have two options. You can either start with a blank canvas or pick a ready-made template. I really suggest choosing a template if you want to save time, and honestly, most people do. Templates are great because they already include elegant fonts, thoughtful layouts, and decorative elements that are wedding appropriate. You don't have to worry about spacing or alignment. The hardest part is just picking your favorite style. But if you want to unleash your creativity and create something entirely unique, starting from scratch is definitely an option. For today, though, let's pick a template so we can get right to the fun part, making it your own. Once you've clicked on a template you like, Canva will open it up for you to customize. This is where the magic really happens. You can swap out the sample names for your actual guest names. Just double-click the text, type in the name, and you're good to go. Want to change the font or font color to match your wedding theme? Simply select the text and pick from hundreds of font styles and colors. Don't be afraid to try a few options. Sometimes even a small tweak can give your cards a whole new vibe. Next, you might want to personalize the design elements. Maybe you like to add floral illustrations, geometric shapes, or even little icons that match your wedding motif. Canva lets you drag and drop images or graphics onto the card so you can customize as much or as little as you want. Maybe your wedding colors are sage and blush, just adjust the elements to fit that palette. And don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. You can always move things around, undo changes, or swap out elements until it feels just right. When you're happy with your design, take a second to preview your card. Imagine it on a dinner plate or tucked into a napkin fold. It's these little touches that really make your celebration feel personalized and thoughtful. If you need to make place cards for all your guests, you can easily duplicate your design and swap out the names, keeping everything consistent and organized. This part might take a few moments, especially for bigger weddings, but it's worth it to give every guest a special welcome. Finally, when everything looks perfect, just hit the download button. Canva lets you save your place cards as PDF files, which are perfect for printing at home or sending to your local print shop. Choose a good quality, sturdy cardstock for a professional finish. Think of it like the icing on the cake for your wedding decor. And there you have it, easy DIY wedding name place cards in just a few clicks. I hope this tutorial has taken some stress out of your wedding planning and shown you how creatively fun these details can be. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your designs, and be sure to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating.